Bella, you remember the video where we show you how to open this?
Okay.
Like magic.
Magic, right? Okay. So if you don't have the key or like you forgot it or something, so you just need like a little pen. If you lost that, you just need like a pen or something sharp that you can stick, and like you'll see. Can you hold this?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
And you'll just need to see. Do you see this little hole right here?
Yes, we do.
And you'll just poke it, and it will
Boom.
open. Voila.
Boom. And it also works with this thing.
Yeah, like
Let's do it.
you can just open it up, but no, most people won't take this pen out.
Yeah.
So you just go poke
Boom.
and boom. So that's how you do it. And if you need help doing anything other,
We also might talk a few more things about this. We never talked about this.
So this journal actually, it's like codes and secret codes and stuff.
It's actually very cool.
Like each number on a different page, it shows you what it says. That's why nerdy stands for something. If you see the bracelet, it says nerdy on it. So that all means something. So, but never let your siblings know how to secretly open this. Or if you do, just don't do it. Okay? And
because they will go in there and they'll... Wait, don't tell them where the glow stick thing is.
Where the pen is. Like, don't tell them, because if they open this...
Just say this is for decoration or something.
Like, if they open the pen and see, they can
Don't
see
let
all...
them, like, get in this.
Okay, just...
Close this so they can't get in it.
Yeah, okay. So if you like our video, remember to like and subscribe. And tell us if you... And write some things in the comments. This is the Bella and Jean channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.